Hello everybody, welcome back to Maths with Miss N. Sorry there's been a little bit of a delay between this video and my last video. It was the Easter holiday, so I thought we all needed a break. We can come back refreshed and do some more learning. This is actually a follow-on from the last video I did about times tables. I showed you the relationship between the 2, 4 and 8 times table and that you could use doubling to help you learn them. The 3, 6 and the 12 times table work much in the same way. So let's have a quick look. As you can see again, I've used my arrays. Sorry, itchy nose. I've used my arrays to help you out here. So, as you all know by now, 1 times 3 is 3. Now, what do we need to do to 3 in order to get 6? Most of you know that we double. And as you can see, and again, you can use the array to help you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Once again, over here, we can use our doubling knowledge to know that double 6 is 12. And this is where the arrays start to get a little bit messy because there's quite a lot happening here. So 1 times 12 we know is 12. Okay. 2 times 3. Again, use the array to help you if you need to. We know that 2 times 3 is 6. Okay. And again, what is double 6? Well, we've already used that knowledge to help us up here, haven't we? We know that double 6, or 2 times 6, is 12. And if you needed to check, you could use the array to do that. Now again here, you've got quite a big array, which you can still use, but your doubling knowledge can also help again, where we go double 12 is, well, what is it? You can pause me here and have a guess yourself, or go with me, and we know that double 12 is 24. Now again, going back over to our 3's, 3 times 3, we all know is 9, good. Okay, now again we can use our doubling knowledge here to work out what 3 times 6 might be. So double 9 is 18, good. And again, if you are unsure at any point, you can still use that array. What I'm trying to encourage you to do is use a quicker method or use knowledge you already have to save you drawing all this out. Okay, double 18, whew, bit tricky, but worst case, what you could do is partition this number into a 10 and an 8. Okay, I can just demonstrate this very quickly down here for you. And you could double the 10, double the 8 and add them together if you were really stuck. Okay, so we know that double 10 is 20, double 8 is 16, add them together, gives you 36. Okay, now at this point again you can pause and have a go at these ones down here to see how far you get without my help, or we can just carry on. And again, as before, I've only gone down to 4 times because that's all I could fit on my board, but this procedure can carry on throughout 5 times up to 12 times. Although I would discourage you from drawing out the arrays over here because you could be there a while. So 4 times 3, we should all know is 12. We can double that to get 4 times 6, which is 24. Again here, if you were unsure, because you're getting into slightly bigger numbers here, how to double 24, you can partition again into 20 and 4. Oops, always make sure your zeros look like zeros. 20 doubled is 40, 4 doubled is 8, which should give us 48. Now I've been through that very quickly, so if you do need to go back and have another look, please do. And please do use my helpful hints and tips. And if you would like a video on partitioning in a bit more detail, that's absolutely fine. It's very useful for a lot of things, multiplication and division included. So there we have it for today, and look forward to seeing you again.